Hello everyone, this is Lidan again. This is my final project for CIS 3367 with Professor Weller. 2018 is coming, and one thing that people use every year is a calendar. I know nowadays people rely on electronic or email rather than a paper calendar, but I believe that there are definitely some people like me who try to maintain a old lifestyle and use a paper calendar. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel to create your own calendar with your favorite picture using VBA code, macro, and Excel camera. Before we get started, I want to give credit to Trendu.org because I got the idea from his YouTube video called Picture Calendar Template in Excel. But I didn't copy his VBA code because it looks kind of advanced and I only know basic VBA. So the way I finish this calendar is I try to figure out his way of doing it and both incorporate his method as well as my basic VBA knowledge to finish this calendar. Anyways, this is the calendar that I created. Notice that when I click this different smiling face, both the month, the picture, and then the bottom calendar change. So how am I able to do that? And by the way, the pictures that I use, it's a picture of my favorite artist. Her name is Cindy Wang. She's a Taiwanese artist and she sings very, very good. And if you guys want to check out her video, you can definitely do on YouTube. Just type Cindy Wang and then her video is gonna pop up. Anyways, enough of this. So how they are able to connect this dot with the month, the picture, and then the bottom part of the calendar. So notice that I have 4 different tabs. This the first tab, sheet 4, is the main calendar. The mini calendar is basically a calendar template for 2018 that I downloaded online. The sheet 2 is another calendar that I created because I need it for my project. And also this is a jet down box for the data validation on sheet 4A1. Anyways, so let's start from the easiest part. So this is the month that displayed is a text box that I inserted, and then I use formula equals to sheet 2 B3. So whenever sheet 2 B3 change, the value here change as well. And then the bottom calendar is actually a picture that I paste. So look, let's go look. It says it equals to sheet 2 C6 to WA. So let's go to sheet 2. This is the area that I paste. So the way you tap picture on Excel is just you simply highlight the area or the range of cells that you want to take a picture, and you go to insert, you just simply click camera, and then you click anywhere you want to paste your picture to. So let's click here. Notice that you just took a picture of it. How cool is that? And so notice that whenever the value in the original cells change, the value in your picture change as well. So let's go change the value at A2. Notice that the cell in your original picture change, the cell on your picture change as well. Cool. So and by the way, this range of cell is a index function that's based on the mini calendar and then A2. So if you guys are not familiar with index function, I suggest you guys go somewhere to look it up because it's a very useful formula or a very useful formula. Anyways, so how did I able to connect the dot with the, how did I able to change all these three values together? The month, the picture, and then the bottom part of the calendar. So the way I did this because I first connected cell A1 with all these three part of the calendar. And the way I connect A1 with all these three parts because I use VBA code. So let's go to see the code that I use. So this is the VBA code that I use. So I simply set A1 as a target object, and then I say if my target object equals to January, or here it say equals to February, then C4 image picture. C4 image picture is just this area, the picture. You can insert from developer tab under insert, and then you click this one. It says insert a image control, right? So I say if it equals to February, then load picture from C drive desktop, and then this is the folder that I store my picture, and then this is the name of the picture. So let's go to the folder. Look, this is the picture that I store for this project, and then notice that I named this picture based on the month they're gonna display. And remember, you have to specify what kind of picture you are loading, either JPEG or JPG, otherwise it's not going to pop up. And then I connect cell A1 to C2 range A2, which is this cell. Remember, when I change the value on C2 cell A2, both B3 and then this range change. And when B3 and this range of cell change on my main calendar, the value on the text box that I insert and then the picture I took change as well. That's how I connect A1 with the month, the picture, and then the bottom part of the calendar. But how did I able to connect the dot with A1? The way I did it was I create a macro. So I say when I click A1, the value in A1 equals to January. When I click the second dot, the value at A1 equals to February. So the way I did that is because I create a macro, and then the code for the macro is I say click 1. Oh, also I name this range as, I name this dot as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so when I say click 1, which means click this smiling face, and then I select range 1, and range 1 equals to January. When I click 2, which is the second smiling face, I select range 1, and range 2 equals to, range 1 equals to February, and so on. So that's how I able to connect this smiling face to A1. And then when I connect, and then because A1 is connected with the month, the picture, and then the bottom part of the calendar. So all this is connected, and that's how I did it. So I think this is kind of cool, and I hope you guys like my video, and have a wonderful holiday. Merry Christmas. Thank you.